I'm about to cook. This is my simplest cooking, guys. You want to slim and healthy, eat fiber, but I need to cook with santan or gata guys. Gata Filipino pa yan. So time for cooking. This one first. Okay, ilunod lahat ang condiments para masarap yung aroma. Then isunod ang fish para masarap. Ayan, the aroma is revealing already. So ilunod siya. Ilunod si fish. Ayan. Oh, hindi pa yata pa siya, guys. But don't worry, maluluto yan. Then, put salt and granuled seasoning. Granuled seasoning. Then, salt. Salt. Then, cover it. Let boil it for 5 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes, huh? Then, next is the chayote. Yes, this is so yummy, guys. And let it boil for 1 minute. 1 minute lang. Add the laurel leaves for additional flavors. So, magiging masarap ang iyong gata na isda with veggies. Different brand. I want 2 pieces because not enough for 1 pack only. So I want 2 pieces para mas lalong masarap ang gata. Sure. Diba? Next is the lady finger or okra. Very nice smell. I don't cut the Egypt just like that. Then boiled again for 1 minute. Very easiest cooking only, guys. Okay, takpan muna. Ayan, may meat kami, guys. Ayan, sasali ko sila. Binilaan lang binidyo ko sila. Ayan. Mamoy yan, mamoy. Ayan. So, next is the creamy gata. I want it so creamy. I love it. I love it. I love it. So nice, guys. The gata. Allow it to boil 1 minute. Then next is cabbage. Ayan, umapaw siya dahil nagchika-chika pa kami. Ayan, next is the cabbage. This is the last one, cabbage. Load ang cabbage. Ayan. Ilunod. Eat fiber. We must eat fiber, guys. It's because it's good for our healthy heart and skin, and of course for our whole body healthiness. We need to eat fiber. Takpan muna natin, guys. Ay! Hindi na yata. Ayan, guys. Umapaw na siya. Kasi sa sobrang dami ng aking gulay. I have a lot of vegetables. My rice cooker is not enough. Like this one. Cook already, guys. And the taste. Try the taste. Oh my God, so yummy. Perfect, perfect. Ang timpla, guys. Walang labis, walang kulang. It's very, very nice. Luto na, guys. Thank you for watching, everyone. I love you all. And it's time to eat. And I will share this to my colleagues. Yes. Maapaw na talaga siya. Thank you, Lord, for this blessing.